Welcome to a short video on how to generate a contrast curve in a multiphase MRI. Open the desired study. There are two ways to enable the auto split. Either navigate to additional settings and enable auto split, or simply press the E key on your keyboard. Then go to Tool and then to Multiphase. Select Series Selection there. Now select the series, phases, over which the contrast curve should be applied. You can either use the checkboxes or, if you want to use all phases, press the Select All button. To use the system synchronization, you can now use the familiar Sync button in the left toolbar. This only synchronizes the phases displayed in the respective tiling. If you use the small button in the thumbnail bar, all phases are synchronized, and the 3x2 tiling is automatically applied. Now draw the area over which the contrast curve is to be created. Use the ROI functions under Measurements. Navigate back to Tool, continue to Multiphase, and click on Time Intensity Curve. The contrast curve is now displayed in a pop-up window. Click on Save, and the curve is automatically attached to the study as a PDF. If you wish, you can now open the PDF directly in the viewer. Here you will find some functions in our own PDF reader, such as Save, Print, and Zoom. Thank you for your attention.